Don't start your business if you don't see this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have a 5 advisor and the best advisor in the world that can help you to reach your idea about your business. I'm Samin, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a one panel from 5 guys advisory board. For example, the Steve Jobs, Alex Hormozi, and Seth Godin, and Brené Brown, and Simon Sinek. You know, this 5% is the best one in the world, and you can have this 5 advisor in one board for your business and how you want to start your business. Just we are going to check the how we can help from this 5% and we use the ChatGPT for this. Going and see. Okay, now we have I wrote the one prompt for this that I told you. The prompt start play the role of a 5% advisory board that will help me grow and develop my business. The panelists are Steve Jobs for innovation and product vision, Alex Hormozi for media monetization, and this one, and Seth Godin for branding and building a community, Brené Brown emotional intelligence and leadership, and Simon Sinek mission, purpose, and long-term vision. I wrote this prompt before for you and for myself, how they can help me. This is the prompt that I show you how you can use from this prompt. Actually, I copy all this prompt in here with Control C, and I'm going to ChatGPT. Okay, for starting my business, because in my previous video I told you how you can find the 5 business idea that match with your skill and your goals. Okay, now in ChatGPT I open one new project that you can see in here in the left side, new project. I see, for example, one of the first business idea in my previous video that fits for me about the 360 photography and virtual tour for real estate agent, and for the restaurant, showrooms, and the company. I write here, for example, business idea. I put the name of the project name. Okay, I open one project name in here, one project sheet actually. I want to paste that prompt in here. Okay, play the role of the 5% advisory in develop my business. And in the first part I want to write, I want to start a business for myself, with idea about virtual tour and photography for real estate agent, showroom, restaurant, and after that I write this prompt and going and see what's the ChatGPT told me. Absolutely, I will serve as the moderator of this unique advisor panel made up of Steve Jobs, Alex Hormozi, Seth Godin. I don't want to waste your time to read all the thing. Brené Brown, Simon Sinek, and it's told me before we beginning the panel discussion, we must complete step 1. Please answer the following question as clearly and specifically as possible. What is the core product or service you plan to offer? Okay. I read my answer. For number 1, my product and service is virtual tour and photography to promote the real estate listing, listing, restaurant, showroom, and what's it's only virtual tour. What is the core? It's only virtual tour, or will you include traditional real estate photography, videography, drone? Yes, like say it's virtual to photography and drone, because the most of the real estate agent need drone photography to promote the number 2. Answer number 2. What's the number 2? Who is your primary customer right now? Realtor, developer, homeowners, commercial broker, restaurant, furniture store. Be specific about the segment and type. I just copy and paste realtors, homeowner, commercial. I want to be work, furniture, stores, restaurant. I think actually this 2 is the most important in this industry. Number 3. What is your current setup? What equipment and software do you already own? Do you have a studio or work remotely or on location? Are you working solo or with the team? Okay, I want that I told you in the previous email. I have a Insta 36 camera X5, and what do you already, and car, and AutoCAD app. AutoCAD that app is not 3D Vista app, Photoshop, and another thing that I have, I think Adobe Lightroom Classic, Adobe Lightroom Classic. Insta, it's Insta 31. I am work alone and I don't have any location yet. I have my car and work remote from home. Can you see I write the regular things that you all of the people same as me or you is like this. We don't have a location, or we don't have a many equipment, or we don't have a special car. And number 4, just we want to go together and see what's it's help us. I want to close this one. Okay. Number 4. What have you done so far to test or grow this business? Examples: build a website, post on Instagram, pitch agent, done free shots. I want to start it now. I didn't do anything yet, but I think I have website, Instagram and social media is the first step for me. Number 5, question number 5. Okay, what are your top 2 or 3 challenge right now? What's slowing you down the most? Is it marketing, confidence, pricing? I think marketing. The number 1 is marketing, and gear, finding client and branding, and number 6, give me okay, how much time and money are you willing to invest over the next 90 days? I have just $1,000 and I am work full time for my new business. Or you can say I have 3 hours in a day, or I have just working in the weekend. It's up to you. Just I want to show you how it can help you. What does success look like for you in the next 12 months? Be honest, is it 5 commands in revenue, quitting your job, building a portfolio, become no internal? I think the most important 5 in the month. Take your time and answer this completely. Once you reply, we will move to step 2. If you want this prompt, just leave me a comment. I reply in your comment and put the complete prompt for you, and you can use it like this. It's very important. This answer is perfect. Thanks for the honest and detailed answer. Let's know panel discussion or 5 legendary advisors are stepping into the challenge you're thinking and help you chart the best path forward to your virtual tour. What's the Steve Jobs tell me? First of all, great that you are starting lean. Constraint, breeze, continue, but understanding this. No one hire a photographer or virtual tour guide. They hire clarity. They hire emotion. If I were you, I'd ask, what makes you virtual tour is essentially different? Don't be generic. Invent the feel. What if your tours weren't just about seeing a space, but feeling like you are already home, already dining there, already successful running your business there? That's a product vision, not a service. Think like an atelier and not a vendor. Alex Hormozi, media monetization. I love the hustle. You have got time, gear, and a budget. That's enough. You don't need branding yet. You need offer and outreach. Here's what you do. Building a client acquisition machine. Offer 1, 3 or 3 free shots to big name realtor and restaurant. Delivery result testimonial and footage. Document everything. Turn every job into a marketing asset. Before, after, a stage like 30% more view time. Then make an interesting offer. Sell your listing faster with immersive virtual tool, full service under $499. You need to close your first 3-5 client fast. Then use the result to scale up. Forget your logo, focus on leads. They give you the good things. Really, it's same. You talk with the Alex Hormozi. He is the best and the wonderful guy in the world, or some Steve Jobs. Everybody know him. He give you good things. This prompt is amazing, and you can start your business in this project that I told you. You don't need to delete this project, and you can, for grow your business, you can use this prompt, and always they are there. You don't need to pay money for them. Just if you want to pay, just upgrade your ChatGPT. I think it's just $20 in a month. It's nothing. And Simon Sinek, mission, purpose, and long-term vision. You need to start with why. Why this business? Why now? What does success look like? Not just in dollars, but in meaning. If your purpose is to help people experience a space before stepping foot in it, say that. That's powerful. Building everything, your Instagram bio, your pitch, your pricing around that why. Steve right about crafting emotional experience. Alex is right about generation moment. Seth and Brain are right about community. But what ties it all together is this: you need to stand for something. That's how you build something meaningful, not just profitable. And he give you something. He ask, well, at this point I love to hear you talk. They ask you 3 things. You can build your business idea with this prompt. It's really helpful. Actually, I use this prompt from another my things in here. It's really good. You can use this prompt. It's really helpful for you, and you can go and just leave me a comment in the comment, and I send you this prompt, and we can grow together. I'm here to help you to start your business for yourself and have a freedom financially, and help you to grow your business, start your business. Just share the video if you think your family or your friend need to start their new business, and just put the like button if you like my video and you want to follow this channel. Thank you. Have a great